Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another rhythm design. This is the King Scepter knot. I'm going to take 2 ties with this. Left side again over here at the belt line as usual. That's the usual spot. We're going to come over here. We're just going to fold it in half. Whatever you do is fine. The pinch does not necessarily matter. We're just bringing it up and over like this with 2 of them. Come around with both of them like this. The bottom one, which is my purple one, we're going to go around like this. We're going to leave it folded like that. Then the red one, which is the top one, we're going to come underneath like this. And we're going to come up and over. And then I'm going to come through this right here. And then I'm going to fold this in half right here. Then I'm going to come around like this and then put it down here like so. Kind of creating a point right there. So then we'll have this. I'll leave that over there. I have enough to do something with that. So then we're going to come around down here like this. We're going to twist it and then we're going to come around like this. And then I'm going to come around like this. Then I'm going to come up through like so. Then I'm going to leave that there. Then I'm going to bring this red one back. Let's fold it in half and put it through here. And then tuck it down here. And then we're just going to put this over here like this. Let me put my collar down. So then we're going to have, this is going to be a very bulky knot, obviously. So then let's put the buttons down here. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. I always say that when I'm doing this. You see all the pictures of the knots on there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of spread that down like that. That's where you see that point with the red tie or the top tie, and then the bottom tie is going to be right there. So there you have it. Again, own your style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Let me put my tie clip on here. There you go. Peace and God bless.